Hey guys, what's going on? So here I have a Shark IQ series intelligent robot. This is an AV970, and this is very similar to different models, but this is a non-self-emptying, so you do have to manually remove the basket from the rear, which is very simple with this push button back here. And then you can open it up, throw your trash away, clean your bin, you're good to go. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the basics of taking care of this vacuum. So the first thing obviously is taking your bin out, cleaning that. Sorry about the camera shake. Next, we'll talk about the brush roller, which is these two little clips right here. Pull the tab up. Now these do break. These are very common to break. Then you'll just pull the brush roller out and clean off any lingering hair. Followed by the spinners, right and left. You'll just grab these and wiggle them off. Sometimes they're easy to get off, sometimes they're not. Just like that. Pop right off. And I'm making this camera shake terribly. You also every so often want to open it up, fill its head, and remove the battery. And if you have a compressor, it's always good to blow out everything. You'll just take the battery out. There's two little tabs that sometimes stick to each other. Just like that. Go ahead and insert the battery. Drop the battery back in. Anytime you clean it, you want to use nothing but 91% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the battery is disconnected. Let it dry thoroughly before reinstalling and turning it on. If you use water, Windex, any solubles like that, you run the risk of damaging the sensors, making this robot completely pointless to own. Now, you can pop out the front wheel if you need to. It is not recommended unless it is severely clogged up, but you can take a flathead screwdriver, go in the corners, pry it up, clean it out, push it back down, and reinstall it. If you'd like to learn how to remove the left and right wheels, please refer to my other video. I'll leave a link in the description below. But with that being said, guys, that is the basics of cleaning your Shark AV970. And here's the reinstall process. Voila. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.